It's your so and welcome back, guys, to another episode here on Cosmic Sky. We're keeping this thing going, and today I actually want to kind of have an experiment go down. So there's gonna be a lot of math involved, and hopefully we can get to a conclusion, a final answer. And what we're gonna be testing is basically the best method, or kind of, I guess, the fastest, the best method for gaining island XP and grinding island XP. So I want to test a couple things. I want to test first off mining, so with diamonds. Then I want to test farming with nether wart. So we're definitely going to test the two and basically calculate how much XP you would get using each. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. This guy's trying to give me a bunch of diamond armor enchant books, and I'm okay with that. You know, I actually was going to get a bunch of diamond armor enchant books, because if you look at my inventory here, let me just tell him, thank you, sir. I actually want to throw Product 3 on all of these. I know it's nothing crazy, it's just an S kit, but it would be a somewhat okay set. So thank you, the killer. That's huge and will help me a lot. Anyway, before we get into these nodes and all this testing, I do want to really quickly go ahead and open up some kits. Alright, so PV1, let's go ahead and take out this rank kit right here, /kit. Alright, we've only got this one, boom. So 320k there, gem finder, sharp 1 iron. This stuff's pretty bad, and we'll tinker the gem. Alright, so just made 300k off that. Now let's go ahead and test this stuff. So as I go through it, it might be a little complicated, but I'm going to try my best to keep you guys up to date. So first, let's go ahead and do the nether wart. So what I want to do is basically time myself in 10 seconds, break the nether wart, and basically I'm going to go back and count how many I broke in 10 seconds. So I'm going to pull up a timer on my phone, and I'll put it on screen too, just so I kind of know where I'm at. Okay, so let's line myself up right here. Let me make sure I'm at the right angle. Okay, that's probably the fastest speed. Move over a little bit. Okay, we're going to start it from right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I'm breaking, halfway there, and 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that is the time. Wow, I have to count this whole thing. That's not going to be bad, though. Sell hand. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's basically a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 times 3. That's 174, 175, 76. We'll just add all that on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alright? So 174 plus 18 gives you 192. Alright? Now I'll try and keep you up to track with the calculations on the camera. Alright? But basically, 192 nether wart was broken in 10 seconds. And each nether wart you break is 140 XP. So that's 192 times 140, which gives you 26,880 XP per 10 seconds. All right, if you follow me there. So right now we're at 26,880 XP every 10 seconds. Now I'm going to multiply that by 6, and that'll give me 161,280 XP per minute. And then if I want to multiply that by 60, that'll give me basically 9,676,800 XP per hour. Now obviously there are a bunch of things that, you know, would make this longer, like you know, after you finish the row, you have to, you know, go around over here, so that's, you know, a few seconds where you're not actually breaking it, and then maybe you take a second to sell hand. There's a bunch of stuff, you know, after you finish the whole row here, you go down to the second one, and stuff like that. Anyway, so yeah, it's not 100% accurate, but I think it's decent, and it'll suffice for what I want to do here today. So let's move on down to the diamonds now that we have a number for the nether wart XP. By the way, I didn't calculate this before, but the actual nether wart XP per second would be 2,688 XP per second. ISTP, easy kids. Let me grab the pickaxe in here. We're going to do this one a little bit differently. We're not going to go based on time, but we are going to mine 10 diamond nodes and basically see how long that takes us, and then use time to get an XP per second. So if you look at our pickaxe right here, basically efficiency 5, blah, 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 blah. It is a master dwarf pickaxe. The only way you can make it faster if you added haste, but I think this will be pretty good for our calculations right now. Just basically an efficiency 5 diamond, mining diamonds. So let me pull up a quick timer. So basically I'm just going to time myself. I'm going to mine 10 diamonds here. So here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is about 4.8 seconds I have. Now I just thought that I should probably do a couple trials of this and take an average. Probably the best way to do it. So I'm just going to write that down. So that was 4.85 seconds. I'm going to do another one because obviously there's a bunch of human error and stuff. I'm just going to do one more trial. You know, I probably should have done this for another word as well, but here we go, boys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that one was 4.9 seconds. So that's pretty close enough. I guess I'll do one more. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that one was 4.7 seconds. So let's just go ahead and take like 4.82 seconds. Let's go ahead and start the calculations here. Basically, each diamond 750 XP. Now, 750 XP was made in about 4.82 seconds. Now I'm going to divide 750 by 4.82, and that's going to give me the XP per second. And so that actually gives me about 155.6 XP per second. And honestly, that's like almost nothing compared to the 2.6k XP per second from the Netherwort. Now, I know there's definitely a ton of human error with this whole thing. With the calculations ended up being, twice as much XP from Netherwort than diamonds. A bunch of possible errors for both of them and reasons that it would be definitely slower than I have it. But I think it's pretty fair to say that Netherwort is definitely the better way to go if you are looking for island XP. Money, maybe not, and maybe that's an experiment I have to do another day to see what makes the most money. I would probably say that it was mining diamonds right now, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, boys, that's basically what we got. We ended up with about 560k XP per hour from mining and about 9 million XP per hour from farming in Netherwort. Hopefully I did my calculations correctly and you're not all laughing at me right now, but yeah, whatever, we'll see. Now I want to end off this video with a really good Sky Wars that I was in the other day. I think we ended up with about 11 team kills, which is really awesome. I was on the team with Zazakuo, and yeah, we killed it. So let's head on into that. Alright guys, so as I said, I was in the Sky Wars the other day, and I actually got super stacked very quickly. My teammate built over to mid, and we had no problem getting there, and then got pretty stacked. So I'm basically in full P2, sharp 2, and that basically means that we got an easy dub. We got a bunch of kills, and so these are kind of the highlights. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you all did enjoy, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. As I finish off the video, I want to go ahead and claim that BR dub. I actually also got a second place as well, but claim that win. So I got a Slotbot ticket from that. I've got 2 ticket scraps. I also have 2 rank kits to go ahead and open up. So let's do the ticket real quickly. Open this thing and throw that in there. Spin. Alright. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. All those calculations and the whole testing. Only an item name tag. That's kind of tough. But yeah, it was a pretty good one. I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you all in the next one. Adios. Peace.